In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix family invite not working on Spotify. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your Spotify app to its latest version. So navigate to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Spotify. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, launch it. Now click on your profile icon. Head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Click on Logout and confirm it. After logging back in, head over to your profile once more. Open Settings and Privacy. Now navigate to the option Account. Select your plan. Here tap on Manage your plan and check whether the family plan is active and working correctly. If someone has already sent you a family invite link but you cannot join, the issue may be because the family plan has already reached the maximum member limit. In that case, the plan manager will need to remove one member before you can join successfully. Also, make sure that all family members are using the same home address because Spotify sometimes checks location information for family plans. Once everything is correct, try opening the invite link again and you should be able to join the plan without any issues. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.